गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
So I want to narrate a special incident where this was inside the interview room in Puttaparthi, and there was a small gathering of like 10-15 people, and especially there was this group of a family, like 7-8 people, and along with them there was another senior gentleman who had come for the first time. So as people were seated in the interview room, Swami came. Swami closed the door. Swami used to beautifully put on the fancy क्या है पंखा बटन करता है तो पंखा लगता है. And he used to calm everyone down, and Swami taking the chair and कैसे करता है अम्मा कहाँ से आया, and then the dialogue used to start. So this family, especially sitting with that gentleman over there, in the meanwhile suddenly Swami waved his hand and created vibhuti and got up and gave each and every one that vibhuti. Even I was seated there, I got vibhuti, but Swami did not give that person who was new with that family. And he was also like sitting very kind of, he was just sitting over there. He was not much, he was not disturbed or anything like that. So Swami sat back and all that. So then when they talked and all that, and he asked this gentleman, kahan se aaya? So the gentleman said, he was asked where you come from. So the gentleman very casually said, no, I came along with them. Like, it was like quite a blunt answer, but Swami was calm. Then he spoke other things with other people and all that, and then after some time, because that man maybe was having some kind of doubt in his mind, or maybe seeing Swami for the first time, and we faith nahi tha, belief nahi tha, we don't know, but Swami knows everything. So Swami, while talking nicely, he folded his sleeves like this, and I have seen Swami folding his like nicely like that. And there were some small kids in this thing also. He started moving his hands like this. Kya hai ye? What is this? Swami asked. So somebody said, Swami, divine hands, Swami, aapki karo chimole karo ye hai, pavitra haath hai, Swami, there is power, there is everything, all that. So even Swami asked me the question, kya hai, kya ki? So I don't know what made me say, but I said, Swami, everything and nothing. So Swami was like, hey, something Swami said, and like kind of scolded me, and I was quiet. I thought I was wrong. I don't know what made me say that. But Swami went on with that, and then, Swami put his hand like this and said, see, haath hai. Ye haath hai. And he looked at that particularly that gentleman's, he looked at him, and he said, abhi dekho yahan, and he pointed that thing, he like, look over here. Abhi Panchabhutas ka ye karke, wo sona wahan aa jayega. And actually we saw fire over there. In the middle of his palm, there was fire. देखो अभी सोना इकट्ठा हो रहा है, अभी वो stone बैठेगा और ऐसे करते. In 5-7 seconds there was a ring created and the fire was gone, and there was a beautiful gold ring with a diamond on top of it. And we were all like, glued to it like this, like what creation we saw. Actually Swami creating the ring, it was there on his palm over here in the center of the hand. And everyone is like, glued to it. Suddenly Swami said, देखो बोले सब लोग creation को देखता है, creator को नहीं. And then he took that and आओ करके उसको, he called that person and put it in his finger. It was an exact fit in his finger. So he was like, very happy about it. And so these are moments like, however, so many times we saw Swami creating things. But when we actually witnessed this thing, we could not, it was something really bizarre. It was like, we actually saw the creator doing the creation in his open palm. Like fire over there and the thing, and the Swami giving a commentary over there, saying that, देखो पंचभूतास का ये है, उसका एक करके फिर अभी सोना बनता है, फिर, all he's talking about the 5 elements. And how it's getting into a gold circle, and now the ring is getting created, and I'm putting a stone, and that's a diamond, and then the ring is there. So what else we need? He has done everything, he has shown everything, and we can't even forget about thank you, but we can't even think a moment without him.